Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple recipe. It's called tender shrimp and eggs. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. These shrimp were purchased from Costco. They have already been cleaned and perfect for our recipe today. Make 2 slices on the bag for better presentation after cooking. Dry the shrimp with a paper towel. Add a teaspoon salt and sugar to the shrimp. Add half egg white. Then add half tablespoon starch. Finally, add some cooking oil and leave the shrimp marinated for about 15 minutes. Next, let's prepare some cucumbers and scallion. Separate 2 egg yolks from the egg white. Add starch and milk to the egg and mix them well. This is the secret to make your egg tender. Briefly cook the egg white and egg yolk in low-medium heated oil. Cook the cucumber and shrimp for about 30 seconds. Add scallion to the wok, add a quarter cup water and a quarter cup starch. Now add all the ingredients and keep stir and fry. Add a teaspoon salt and pepper and keep stir and fry. Quickly garnish the plate with tangerine. This is a tender shrimp and egg with cucumber. It is easy and tasty. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.